Yeah, you know how to intentionally bunny hop, unintentionally bunny hop.
Unintentionally, I can do every fucking move known to man.
Go on, there's the bunny hop there. There you. Beautiful, beautiful. Drive on, keep her lit, turn sideways. There you go, Mary Ellen.
Turn sideways. Ah, shite. No.
No, stay on it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like just drop, just drop down the.
Yeah, okay, I know. Now I know.
just tip her nicely. Now lamp it. You're awful man for fucking grinding the skin off his arse.
But sure, I don't know what the fuck he's like.
14 falls.
You know,
we're bound to get bronze here. I wouldn't even say it'll give you the bronze. It might give you a badge, an old sticker. It might give you an old sticker.
A plastic trophy.
In case you cut yourself with.
Trophy. Basically a rubber ball. With name on it.
A wubba.
Well done,
Lord.
Today's swing advisory.
Nice looking place.
Oh, go on. You have it. Land. Oh, beautiful land. There's a serious hill coming.
Why does part of your brain think you should be going left?
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Up the steps. Down into the pool.
Get up the fuck.
Oh, off the fucking drawbridge. Oh.
Jesus. He wasn't giving up.
What happened there?
I don't know, he came back up. Like,
Go on. Oh, where are you going? Jesus. Nice nails now. Nice nails at the top. Oh man, for fuck's sake.
Sorry. It's the nice and easy bit I have a problem with.
Yeah, it is actually, yeah. Look at the bike going on. Look at the bike going on.
Any nicer
Maybe
either,
you can jump over it. If you go hard enough. Oh, lovely. Ah, beautiful. And then he hits that joke like a slap.
Ooh, just missed it.
Bronze medal.
Oh, Jesus, what happened there?
Closing the door on you. Not letting you in. I have the hang of it now. Look. Woohoo! Oh, this is shocking. This is. That's so funny. Why
are you so bad? What's going on, man?
Allah.
This time.
Lean forward, yeah.
Alright. Would you shut up with the fucking
I got you.
Every...
Look, I got your back.
Thanks, Brutus.
No, you have to flick the trigger. Don't just flick the trigger momentarily. Oh yeah, it's a savage machine. Oh, how'd you do that?
Oh.
Oh, here. Oh yeah. Oh, what's going on there? You can't even get out of the water. When you get over the line, will you?
We're not so much riding as crashing our way to the finish line.
Here, like the acceleration is ridiculous.
And bad and slow.
Like there's the finish line, like there's the finish line. Look. I won! How did I win? Oh. I don't think I can take this. Oh Lord.
Shake it up. Not very PC.
You literally have to keep pedaling. What are you doing? Oh, I'm red. Yeah. Sorry, I was watching the blue. It's Ball's way it swaps it around every now and again, eh? Oh, come on.
Oh, he actually went to the one side of the bike there.
Yeah.
That was weird.
I'm gonna pull off some fucking serious fucking moves here now. Watch this. Oh, you can't do the right thing on the bike.
You can't do the stunts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it only applies to that specific bike. The only one you can use for that
Oh yeah.
stuff.
Fuck it. This is leveling up now.
Why does he keep leaning over to the side? That's so weird.
Oh. Oh, neck and neck up the hill. Neck and neck up the hill. Get over the line. Get over.
Yes.
You were pedaling in mid-air and everything there. You was. Ah, scanning. Okay, I'm red. I'm red. It's so bad. Like it just wants to tilt all the time. Hey, how did you do it?
Oh, nice. Yay, well done. Oh, it's caught me off guard.
Ah, lad.
What?
I got up there. I got up there.
Well done, yeah, well done, well done, well done.
No, get the lid.
Oops. Yes, yes, yes.
Come on. Look at it.
Why is it getting more difficult as time goes by?
Ah, this is shocking.
We're not just falling over on the spot. It's not even getting out of the traps.
I'm not even pulling the trigger, I'm just steering. Come on, get to the next one. Jesus, get to the next one. It's literally like you're literally just barely tipping the trigger.
Jesus, man. What? What? Yes, go, 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 go. Oh, guys, there. Take us to the next country.
Good man.
Oh, well done, well done.
Oh, mind the car. Oh, how are you gonna get? How are we gonna get over this, Joe? How are we going to get over this,
Almost, almost.
It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. I think we have to go back. Go back up the ramp here. Go back.
Yeah.
Reverse, reverse. We're in the North, Bridget. You ready? Go.
We're in the North, Bridget. Oh, listen, don't leave me here for dead, you prick.
I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up.
Oh, well done. Oh, nice.
Oh, where are you going?
Well, it kind of spawned me in when I didn't think you were going to make it.
Come on. Get down on the fucking thing. Get down on the thing.
My man's just appearing and disappearing beside you.
That's all he's doing. He's like a ghost.
Honest the fuck. A 25 falls.
Oh, you did it. Ah, lads. How do you stop it fucking doing this?
Oh, took his head clean off there. Oh. Oh, nice. That's it. Well done, well done.
Get over that line! Oh, holy light of divine God, that was shocking. 26 falls for me and 31 for you.